Welcome to DECOLOVA, where today's home tour opens the door to a world wrapped in softness, warmth, and timeless charm. This English cottage begins with a lovely blend of soft peach and beige, creating a palette that feels delicate yet deeply comforting. From the very first glance, the home suggests a quiet romance, the kind that lingers in old books, floral curtains, and antique wood details. Every corner feels carefully chosen, as though the house itself has been dressed for a peaceful afternoon of tea, flowers, and gentle conversation. It is a space that invites you to slow down and stay a while. The entryway sets the mood with a graceful balance of vintage character and cozy restraint. Soft peach accents bloom beautifully against beige walls, while aged wood, textured fabrics, and curated decor pieces bring a sense of history into the space. Nothing feels rushed or overly polished, which is exactly what gives the cottage its soul. Instead, the entrance welcomes you like an old friend, offering warmth through every detail. A small bench, a woven basket, and a vase of fresh blooms make the space feel lived in and loved, creating a first impression that is both tender and unforgettable. The living room is the heart of this cottage, and it carries the romantic vintage theme with ease. Plush seating in creamy beige tones creates a soft foundation, while peach cushions and floral accents add a whisper of color that never overwhelms the room. The furniture feels elegant but relaxed, as if each piece has been collected over time rather than purchased all at once. A textured rug, antique-inspired tables, and delicate decorative objects complete the scene. The result is a living space that feels intimate and graceful, perfect for reading, resting, or enjoying quiet moments with a cup of tea. What makes this English cottage so enchanting is the careful attention to details. Lace, ceramic vases, framed botanical prints, and vintage-style fabrics work together to build a layered atmosphere full of personality. The soft peach and beige tones allow these details to stand out without making the room feel busy. Instead, everything flows with harmony and intention. There is a beautiful sense of restraint here, where each item feels chosen for a reason. The room does not shout for attention. It simply glows with character, offering a gentle reminder that beauty often lives in the smallest things. The dining area continues the story with a refined blend of comfort and elegance. A vintage-style table in natural wood tones anchors the room, while upholstered chairs in beige or blush-inspired shades create a soft, inviting place to gather. Peach floral arrangements add a romantic touch, and simple tableware keeps the setting grounded in everyday beauty. The room feels ready for slow breakfasts, afternoon pastries, and candlelit dinners that stretch long into the evening. It captures that classic English cottage feeling so well, where meals are not just about eating, but about connection, memory, and quiet celebration. The kitchen brings a fresh layer of charm while staying true to the cottage's romantic vintage identity. Beige cabinetry, brushed brass accents, and soft peach styling touches create a space that feels both practical and poetic. Open shelving displays pretty dishes, glass jars, and ceramics with a collected-over-time feeling that makes the kitchen more personal. There is a quiet elegance in how everything is arranged, with no excess and no clutter. The room seems designed for baking, arranging flowers, and preparing simple meals with care. It reflects the heart of cottage living, where function and beauty move together with ease. In the bedroom, the mood becomes even more intimate and restful. Layers of linen, floral bedding, and soft beige textiles create a calming base, while peach accents gently warm the space without disturbing its serenity. The room feels deeply personal, like a private retreat tucked away from the world. Vintage nightstands, delicate artwork, and softly curved decor details complete the atmosphere with quiet romance. Nothing is harsh or overly modern here. Everything encourages rest, reflection, and stillness. It is the kind of bedroom that feels comforting the moment you step inside, as though it is holding space for dreams and slow mornings. As the tour comes to a close, the lighting becomes the finishing touch that binds the whole home together. Soft natural light pours through the windows, brushing over the peach and beige palette like a gentle veil. In the afternoon, the rooms seem to glow from within, while in the evening, the warm artificial lighting adds a tender golden softness that deepens the romantic mood. The light never feels too bright or too dramatic. Instead, it supports the textures, colors, and vintage details with a quiet grace. It is this final glow that makes the cottage feel truly alive, intimate, and impossible to forget. The hallway in this cottage is not merely a passage from one room to another. It feels like a gentle chapter in the home's story. Beige walls create a soft canvas, while peach-toned accents and vintage wall decor add subtle personality without crowding the space. A narrow runner, framed artwork, and a small console table help the hallway feel considered and graceful. There is a calm rhythm here, the kind that makes movement through the home feel slower and more intentional. Even a simple walkway becomes meaningful when it is designed with warmth, softness, and a romantic eye for detail. One of the most charming things about this home is how its small corners are treated with care. A tucked-away chair, a floral vase, a stack of beloved books, or a decorative tray can instantly transform an empty space into something memorable. In this cottage, every little corner seems to whisper a quiet story of comfort and taste. The peach and beige palette keeps these areas cohesive, while antique-inspired pieces bring character and depth. These are not dramatic statements. They are thoughtful moments of beauty that make the entire home feel more human, more layered, and more deeply loved. The The cottage's elegance does not come from extravagance. Comes from texture. Linen, cotton, wood, ceramic, woven fibers, and aged finishes work together to create a home that feels rich in feeling rather than in ornament. The softness of the fabrics balances the sturdiness of the wooden pieces, while the vintage surfaces add a sense of history and charm. Every material seems to have a purpose in creating comfort. This layered approach gives the home a quiet luxury, one that feels inviting instead of showy. It is the kind of design that looks beautiful in photographs and even more beautiful in real life. Floral details appear throughout the home in a way that feels graceful and natural. They may show up in cushions, curtains, artwork, bedding, or simply in fresh-cut flowers placed on a table. These accents soften the cottage even further and reinforce its romantic identity. Rather than overwhelming the rooms, the florals act like little notes in a melody, adding sweetness and movement. They work especially well with the soft peach palette, creating a look that feels timeless and delicate. The home never loses its vintage charm, but the flowers give it a fresh, tender energy that keeps everything feeling alive. What makes this English cottage so appealing is its balance. It is clearly beautiful, but it never sacrifices comfort for style. The seating looks inviting, the rooms feel livable, and the decor seems chosen to support daily life rather than interrupt it. That is the real magic of the design. It allows romance to exist alongside practicality. You can imagine reading here, hosting guests here, or simply enjoying the quiet of a slow morning in this space. The home proves that a beautiful interior does not need to be formal or fragile. It can be soft, functional, and deeply comforting all at once. This cottage does more than display beautiful rooms. It inspires a certain way of living. It encourages softness in the way you arrange your space, thoughtfulness in the way you choose your decor, and calm in the way you move through your day. The peach and beige tones create an atmosphere that feels emotionally soothing, while the vintage English character adds soul and nostalgia. Watching this home tour feels like receiving permission to create a home that nurtures rather than impresses. It reminds us that interiors can be deeply personal, lovingly layered, and quietly expressive without ever needing to feel complicated. As we reach the end of this romantic vintage home tour, the lasting impression is one of tenderness, elegance, and timeless charm. This English cottage has shown us how soft peach and beige can come together to create a home that feels both dreamy and grounded. Every room carries a sense of harmony, and every detail contributes to a larger feeling of gentle beauty. For DECOLOVA, this is exactly the kind of inspiration that turns a simple tour into something memorable. Thank you for joining this warm little journey, and may it inspire your own home to feel just as soft, graceful, and lovingly personal.